Okay, real quick. Look at these two pages. Same exact request. Same AI. I typed the same words both times. But this one is just Claude's best guess. And this one is my brand. Exactly. The warm cream, the cherry red, the big chunky retro letters, my whole fun, old school soda vibe. And here's the part that gets me. I never told it to do any of that. Not this time. I taught Claude my style one time and now it just does it. Automatically. Every time I ask. That is called a skill. And it's honestly one of the coolest things in all of Claude Code. And this one little file is the whole secret. It's called a skill and look at it, it is just plain English. It's me writing down my style one time like a little playbook. I drop it in a folder and from then on Claude just has it. So when I ask for a page, it quietly pulls out this exact playbook and follows it. I never have to bring it up again. But let me show you the problem first, because I promise you have felt this one. I'm starting totally fresh. Empty project, no skill, nothing in it. And I'll ask the way literally anyone would. I'll just say, make me a landing page for my energy drink. And okay, it works. It built a page and honestly it looks fine. Claude's got pretty decent taste. But that is the whole thing. That's CLAUDE's taste, not mine. It went dark and neon and edgy, which, sure, fine, but it picked all of that out of thin air. And here's the part that used to genuinely drive me up the wall. If I close this and come back tomorrow in a fresh chat, it forgets all of it. I'm back to square one, re-explaining my style like we've never met. So here is the idea and it's the one thing I really want you to get. Last video, we did CLAUDE.md. Those are your always on house rules, the stuff Claude reads every single time. A skill is its sharper cousin. It's a labeled playbook that just sits in a folder quietly and Claude only reaches for it when the job actually matches. You teach it once and it waits right there, ready. And making one? No code, I promise. I just talk to Claude in plain English. I say make me a skill called brand kit. And in it, tell yourself, whenever I ask for a page for my energy drink, use a warm cream background, cherry red and sunny yellow for the headlines and buttons, big chunky rounded retro letters, a fun, playful, old school soda tone, and always give it a hero, 3 feature blocks and a sign up bar. And that's it. Look, Claude wrote the whole file itself, my rules written down in plain English. Okay, now the moment of truth. And I'll be honest, the first time I saw this happen, it kind of got me. I'm opening a brand new chat, totally fresh, and I'm going to ask for the exact same thing as before, word for word. Make me a landing page for my energy drink. I'm changing absolutely nothing about how I ask. And watch this. See that? It grabbed the brand kit skill, all on its own. I never mentioned it once. It just recognized what I wanted and reached for the right playbook. And look at that. Warm cream. Big pops of cherry red and sunny yellow. Those chunky rounded retro letters. That is my brand. Exactly. And I did not say one single word about colors this time. It already knew. And real quick, if that is clicking for you, do me one tiny favor and tap subscribe because this whole channel is just me showing you the little things that make Claude finally feel like it's yours. Okay? Back to it. Because here's the whole story in one single shot. Same request both times. The only thing that changed is that one little folder. And Claude went from guessing to knowing. But now, here is the part that is actually different from last time. A skill isn't stuck on one page. Watch this. Totally new request. Make me a separate flavors page. Something I've never asked for before. Not once. And look, it pulls the exact same skill again, all on its own. Same brand. Brand new page. And there it is. A completely different page. But it's still that warm cream, still the cherry red and yellow, still those big chunky retro letters, totally on brand. I taught Claude my style one time and now it just shows up. Everywhere. That right there is the magic of it. You are not re-explaining yourself ever again. And the secret to all of it is this one line right here, the description. That is how Claude knows when to grab the skill. So you write it just like you're telling a new coworker exactly when to use it. Use this whenever I ask for a page for my energy drink. And honestly, the best part is you can have a whole shelf of these. One skill for your brand, one for writing your emails, one for your weekly report. Claude just gives them all and pulls out the right one every single time. So that is a skill, a little plain English playbook that you teach Claude one time and it grabs automatically whenever the job fits. Across every page, every project, forever. So here's what I want you to go do right now. Open up Claude and just say, make me a skill and give it one single rule you're tired of repeating. Just one. That is your start. And if this is the video that finally made it, click subscribe and stick around. Because next I'm doing the big one. I'm going to build a real phone app. The kind you actually install on your phone. With no Xcode and basically no setup. You're not going to want to miss that one. I'll see you there.